Stage. Lars, hop on stage. Hey there, good to see you.
Hey, hi. Hi.
So I've seen you've prepared a short lightning talk with a very, well, mysterious title. I'm curious what you're going to show us.
First of all, thank you for a great organization, Julian.
My pleasure.
I think nobody could have done a better job than you. It all went very smooth. Hi guys, I just prepared a really short talk. It's more of a riddle, really. I'm really hoping someone can help me out, someone who's a better developer than me. Let me try to share my screen. All right. So basically, I have a basic Silverstripe site with Fluent in there, a bunch of pages created, and I'm trying to run a task, which is giving me a lot of hurt. Oh, sorry. Sorry about that. It's rather slow. This box is old. My coworker has the best machine. Okay, so very quickly, it's a simple site tree. Never mind the content. I have a bunch of simple pages in there in a little tree structure, like car. In this case, it's car makes, then you have the car model, and then you have car types, right? The only thing you should notice is I have two locales. We use Fluent, just two locales in there, and what happens is we run each night, we do a sync to a backend system to keep the site tree intact. So we manipulate the site tree and we manipulate page types through code. So they're dev tasks. I'll now quickly flip to PHP Storm. Follow Werner's trick with switching to presentation mode. I had no idea it was in there. Okay. This is just a little task I whipped up. The only thing it does, if you follow along with my cursor, here I grab all specific type pages from the site tree and I feed them to a little function which should erase or archive all the pages it gets fed in all the locales. I haven't found out a good way to do this. Let's just walk through it. I iterate my array of pages. I grab all the locales that are currently in the website, because I never know what kind of languages are in there. Look through the locales, and for each and every locale, I switch Fluent to that specific locale and unpublish and archive the page. That all looks fine and dandy, but what happens if I run it? I think this might work. Yeah. Okay, I'll run the little script you just watched, the task, and every time it traverses the loop, I dump the memory usage. All it does right now is manipulate site tree objects, right? This thing will just go on and on and on and on and on and eat up all the memory there is. I have no idea why. I thought it had to do with a reference to the current class within this function right here. I referenced this a lot. Maybe it had to do with that context. There's probably a deeper concept, maybe in this singleton, this static here, or maybe it has to do with anonymous functions, or there's something I'm not getting here. Because I have to manipulate, sometimes thousands of pages. It just takes up 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 gigs. I tried adding in garbage collection stuff, like forcing PHP to clean itself up. Doesn't work. I removed all reference to this. I changed everything to statics. Didn't work either. So I don't know if anyone has dealt with this before. Maybe I'm just missing something completely, a deeper concept. I just don't know. That's all. That's my riddle. So if anyone can help me out, I'd be really interested to hear what I'm just not getting.
So that was a smart move, sneaking a question in a lightning talk. Julian already said, make sure you read the pages in stage mode? Question mark.
Sorry, I missed the question.
Yeah, you can have a look at the stage chat. He's saying, make sure you read the pages in stage mode.
Yeah, it doesn't matter.
It doesn't matter.
No.
So we've got another tip. I would try as a workaround, batching them into smaller groups and see if that
doesn't work. Doesn't work. It just does not release the memory at all. Never. It just completely beats me. The way I solved it was just splitting it up into batches and running the task until it got, it returned the status done. So it just during the night it barfs, it kills itself. I restart it, it continues. I restart it, it continues. But it just, I don't know.
Werner is asking if you tried, his favorite tooling, Xdebug and/or a profiler.
No, to be honest, I didn't. That's a good one. Will do.
You can try his code sharing tool, this JetBrains code with me thingy, because Werner is the guy for all Xdebug stuff. So that's probably worth a try.
I feel a live session coming up here in a few minutes, Werner.
I see a hackathon coming up here. Yeah, cool. So if anybody wants to help Lars in solving the riddle, reach out. I'm sure he'll be grateful. Okay, Lars, anything else you want to share with the community since you're on air?
No, this was my interesting discovery for the last couple of months. Thank you.
Alrighty. There's one more thing I can see in the chat. Clement is saying, $car info page destroy after line 57? Question mark.
What does destroy do? Destroy the object?
I think so.
Let's see what it does.
So riddles are popular, it appears to me.
Doesn't look good.
Maybe we should include this in the regular conference program from now on. I will make a poll for that.
Everyone bring a riddle.
Hackathon style format. Actually, Senna, we've discussed that when we were planning the whole thing, but we've been unsure how the participation will be, but we will keep it in mind. Hackathon would be kind of fun though. Yeah. Okay, before this is turning into a coding session, we'll have to wrap up and get our first lightning talk speaker on board. So thanks, Lars, and have fun solving the riddle.
See you guys next year. Thank you.
Bye-bye.